In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit or update filters and labels in Gmail. Managing your emails effectively in Gmail requires a good understanding of how to use filters and labels. These tools help you categorize, prioritize, and streamline your communication. Let's get started with editing labels. First, ensure you're logged into your Gmail account. Once you're on the main interface, look at the left-hand side where your labels are listed. Find the label you'd like to edit and hover your mouse over it. You'll notice three vertical dots appearing next to the label. This is your More Options menu. Click on these dots and then select Edit from the drop-down menu that appears. This opens a new window, giving you the option to change the label name. Simply type in the new name that you prefer, and when you're satisfied with it, click on Save to apply the changes. Now let's talk about updating filters. Filters are incredibly useful for automatically sorting emails the moment they hit your inbox. To edit a filter, you're going to start by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner of your Gmail interface. This icon opens your settings. Once inside, you'll see a button that says See All Settings. Click on this button. In the settings menu, look at the top row of options and find filters and blocked addresses. Click there to see a list of all your current filters. To edit a specific filter, find it on your list and click on the edit link next to it. This will bring up a new window showing the criteria you've initially set for the filter. Click Continue at the bottom right of this window to review and change the filter actions. Here you'll see various actions like skip the inbox, mark as read, or apply a label. You can adjust any of these options according to your new preferences. Once you've made your changes, it's important to remember to click on Update Filter to save them. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to keep your Gmail organized by editing labels and updating filters. These tools, once understood and used effectively, can drastically simplify how you manage and interact with your emails daily. Stay organized, stay efficient, and make the most of your Gmail experience. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks for optimizing your digital world.